Morning guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video on the Mountune Focus ST3. Today's video, we're going to get this primed, block it all down, get it prepped, and hopefully we're going to get it painted. We're up against it. I had a lay in this morning, it's 10:30. Knackered. So yeah, I'm going to crack on, get this masked up, start getting ready for some primer. See you in a bit.
Don't stop now. Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe and home? Till the counting days until the second go. If you're gonna make a change, you have to let me know. Turn this shit around, start at top the lungs. It's all you need to do.
All masked up, wiped down, ready to go. Just going to knock up some primer and get some on this. Let's get cracking. See you in a bit.
What we do here is go back.
Here we go guys, just letting this dry off. And then we can start blocking it down and get it all sorted. Blooming hot in here. Right, see you in a bit. Yeah, this morning again. By the time I finished priming this yesterday, it's about 3 o'clock. I let it dry, put the heater on for a bit. About 4ish, I started blocking this quarter down. It just still felt a bit soft. Could have done with another hour. And I thought by the time I wait for that to harden up, I'm going to end up being here all night. So I went home, thought I'd come in this morning and have a fresh start. So it's bright and early. We're going to crack on, get this all blocked down and get it out, clean everything down, and then get this painted. For some strange reason, I really like that in that black primer. That matte black looks really nice. Tell you what, if I didn't put it on so thick, because you use a 1.8 primer gun, if I put that on with a smooth gun, it might be a little something there. Might do my van in black primer and leave it in primer. Nice matte black. Right, stop waffling, I'm going to crack on. Let me get my bits sorted, we'll get this sanded down. See you in a bit. Blocked down. Loads of you asked, I've just got to block the bumper down now. Loads of you asked what grit I use. So with primer, with 2K primer, I always block mine down with 320 and then I'll up grit all the way back to 800. Some people block down with 180, some people block down with 400, some people do it with 600. It's a personal preference. I find 320 gets the panel straight enough. It's just I find it that it's aggressive enough, and then up grit, get rid of all the sanding scratches and make it smooth and make it ready for paint. I'm just going to block the bumper down and then we'll move on to the up gritting stage. Sometimes I'll DA it again with 320. 320 on a DA is softer than a block by hand, and then I'll go upwards, but I'm not too sure. I might actually wet flat the whole lot. I might do 468 and scotch it. I'll make my mind up in a bit and we'll go from there. all blocked down, all upgritted. I ended up going with my my Air DA, my micro one. This is a short throw, so it's a finer scratch, and I had it turned down halfway as well. So what I ended up doing was DA and everything, 4, 6, 8, and then I went over it with Scotch. It's all nice and smooth now and ready to go. I've got to unmask everything, do my edges, clean up, get everything out, clean the workshop, remask it, and then we're ready to go. I'll crack on with that and I'll see you in a bit. There we go, guys. We're all masked up. Ready. Someone's revving their motor outside. So it's all masked in here, so I can blow the edge in. And the same again down there, all around the pillar. Right, let's get some paint on this thing.
Yeah.
Looking nice. A few specks of dust, that's to be expected, but we'll buff them out. And come out quite clean, I'm quite happy to be honest. It's really hard to show with these lights. Yeah, nice. It'll look nice when it's back together and buffed up. It's actually a nice colour, it's growing on me. Shiny primer. There we have it guys, all done and dusted. Get it fitted up, get it buffed up, give it back to him, and well, he's here now with me. He's seen it, he's over the moon, and it should look like that in the first place. So yeah, he's chuffed, I'm chuffed. We'll get this dried, get it back together, and game on to the next one. As always, massive welcome and hello to all the new subscribers. And if you ain't already subscribed, I know loads of you watch without subscribing. Hit that button and give us a thumbs up if you like what you saw. That's about all from me today. I'm knackered, it's late, and I want to get home. So stay safe, be lucky, and we'll see you on the next one.